All right, so to write comments in Kotlin, we'll use first the single line comment, which is 2 forward slashes. Everything after the 2 forward slashes is considered a single line comment. So, all right, that if you're using an IDE, you will see that everything after the forward slashes is grayed out. So this is to let you know that this is a comment. This won't affect the code that you're writing, and it just allows us to put our logic into words that we understand. But everything after that, everything after these 2 forward slashes is considered a comment. But if we were to go on another line, we're back to writing code again. But there is another type of comment, which is multi-line comment, which is forward slash asterisk, and then we would have to close it, which is asterisk and another forward slash. Anything within these two asterisks is a comment. So we can have the first line, we can have a second line, and more until we're out of this asterisk or these closing asterisks and forward slash. Anything after that, we're back to coding. So the single line comment is perfect if you want to keep things brief, or maybe you have a title that you want to put, and then you have the multi-line comment if you want to describe even more. So usually you see these in the beginning of a class. We have them in front of a pretty decent method. So it just allows us to put our words into something that people understand. Maybe it's for your team, maybe it's for yourself. Comments are perfect to add more knowledge or more understanding of what you intend on writing or what you already wrote.